Hello, today we are going to speak about how we can apply HR principles to recruitment process. I, Ashish Sinha, will be talking about the manager's perspective.
And I, Piyush Agarwal, will be telling about the employee's perspective.
So, we will first try to judge the employee by asking him in some interview questions. So, hi Piyush.
Hi.
I would like to give you a situation and would like to know how would you react to that particular situation.
Okay.
Let us consider there is an employee who has not been performing well since last 1 year. So, how would you act in that particular situation?
So first I would see whether that employee is fit for that job or not, and even before that I would ask him whether he is satisfied in whatever he is doing or not, if he wants certain separate things, and then I would like to analyze him whether he is fit for the job or not, and sufficiently and accordingly I will put it in a certain different place.
So we see that Piyush is a kind of team player. He would like to know how a person is acting and what he would like to do, and would like to allocate job according to that person's interest and profile. So we see that he is good in a position where he has to lead a particular team and he would like to work differently with the team members. But if you want to have a person who needs to supervise a group of people who have to do a particular kind of job, we would definitely see a person who would tackle this situation in a different way. We would also like to ask Piyush about some questions related to ethics. So Piyush, let us consider you have a situation where you have a particular confidential document, but it is now not important for the company. But you have been getting an offer from a different company to get some document of that kind. What will you do in that particular situation?
Okay, sir. Even if I am offered a good amount of money from a different company wanting to have the document, I will definitely not provide that document because it is against company's policies. And what I would do is request the company and my immediate supervisor manager to make sure that these types of offers are not made to any other employees, and therefore would request to discard or to dispose of these documents using some shredder and making a safe environment for everyone.
So we see that Piyush has good ethical value, and apart from that, he is also very proactive in looking to it that this particular situation does not happen in future. Now, we should also judge Piyush not just by his answer, but by also taking some psychometric test or interacting with Piyush in some other environments, like going out for a game event or something like that. We should also judge Piyush by his communication skills. If he is very forceful and if he is very good in making through his points, then he should be given a job where he has to lead a particular group with some blue collar jobs. But if he is very mild in his opinion and he is good in gelling up the team together, then we should make him lead a team which has people working in white collar jobs.
So definitely, sir, I would like to say that I am a very soft-spoken person. So I would like to work with the people who are well educated and have got white collar job. And definitely, I will not be comfortable in ordering a person of blue collar jobs because I cannot shout and scold a person and make him do work forcefully.
Now, Piyush will let us know about the employee's perspective in this recruitment process.
Okay. So first I will ask whether this company is suited according to my needs or not. So, sir, what weightage is given to you for innovation, or is there any time specific allocation for making employees' contribution towards having his own solutions?
Yes, Piyush, we definitely give good weightage to innovation. We believe that company can go forward only by encouraging employees to go for innovation. We will not only encourage you to innovate processes in your own line of business, but we would also like you to act so that other line of business also get good ideas from you.
Okay, so definitely we saw that this company provides space for innovation. So I personally would like to join this company. Okay, now I will ask him further questions according to my needs. Sir, what kind of weightage to given to our decisions? Like we are employee, so like our decisions would not matter at all, or will I be given a speak in a company's important decisions?
Use the team in which you will be working has a very flat hierarchy system. So your decisions or your opinion would be equally weighted with people working above you and working under you. So your opinion would be as good as others' opinion are, would be considered as good as we consider others.
Okay, sir. So definitely a company where a person's decision matters, definitely that is a company we would like to join. Okay, sir, let us discuss some of the aspects of salary. So I was working in a similar domain. So what kind of increment will be given to me?
Use. I saw your profile, the company in which you were working, and the amount that you were getting. So we can offer you a salary increment of 30%. And apart from that, if you work well over here, and if your ratings are good for a year, you will get good rate of increase, and also your other incentives would be very high.
Yes, I definitely agree 30% is a good increment, but keeping in mind the ratings which I had in previous companies, which were in top 5% of the company, and also the extra certifications I did, and being a specialized person in this job, don't you think I deserve about 50% of increment?
Yes, Piyush, but as I have already said, we give good increase in salaries if your ratings are good. And apart from that, your bonus and other incentives would also be very high, and that would keep you very high when you rate your salary with people in other companies.
Okay, so we saw the company is ready to give me 30% of hike, but is promising to have good increments. So definitely I will consider this. Okay, apart from that, what will the profile you offered? Will it be a very monotonous, similar type of job which I will be doing, or will it be a diverse category of job?
Like I have already mentioned, Piyush, you have a good team working with you, people who really give value to innovation. So you will be given a good job, and the work would not be monotonous. You will have to innovate every time, and you'll have to come up with good solutions.
Okay, so apart from this, what are the growth opportunities within the company?
Yes. So our company gives good value to your work. If you have been working good in a particular profile and you prove yourself that you are up for a very higher kind of work, then we'll give you good growth opportunities, and also that you have seen that the time in which you are given promotion over here is very less when you compare it with other companies.
So here we see that these companies' growth opportunities are excellent. So definitely I would like to go to join these companies. Apart from the things shown here, before joining company, we should know about its background and its public image or the reputation of the company. If a certain company has a bad reputation and we comes to know about it later, it will be a lifetime regret for employee. Thank you for watching our video. I was Piyush Agarwal, and this is Ashish Sinha.
Thank you for watching.